Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to control the music on your phone with this watch. Before we start, if you want to control the music on your phone with this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the ZEP application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open some kind of music app on our phone. For example, you could use Spotify, Tidal, and YouTube. I'm gonna use YouTube in my case, so I'm gonna open YouTube. And as you can see, I already have some video opened, and I can tap play to start playing it. You won't hear anything right now because the sound is muted, but we can go to our watch now, wake up the screen on it by pressing any of the buttons. Then we can swipe left on the screen or press the back button to open the menu. We can scroll through the menu, find the music icon, and tap on it to open the music widget. And once you open it, the watch should detect that you're playing music. As you can see, it detected our song. It's telling us the name of the song, the length of the video or song, and also the progression bar we have right here around the play button. And we can do a couple of things. We can pause the song or the video by tapping on pause. We can play it by tapping on play. We can go to the next song by tapping on next. Like this. We can go back by tapping on back. We can also adjust the sound volume on our phone by tapping on the speaker icon right here at the bottom of the screen. And this will open this menu, and we can adjust the sound by tapping on the plus and minus buttons. Like this. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back to the music widget. And basically that's how you control the music on your phone with this watch. And once you're done, you can press back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.